Hey guys, what's up? My name is Himanshu and welcome back to channel. So recently I had a client who was asking to build a sticky header or build a header with some blurry background and some effects as well. Okay. So I looked on the internet, I looked on Google, and I found that many guys are saying to add some code or add some jQuery, some JavaScript to achieve those effects. But I know that since we are using WordPress and since we are digital marketers, they don't know much of coding and they want a simple and easy way to achieve those features. So basically after a few research I was able to achieve that, and I'm gonna show in this video that how very easily you can achieve different header effects on your site with using some plugins, and that too for absolutely free. And also here I'm not gonna focus more of designing of header because I have a complete video on that. Okay, here I'm gonna basically show the feature you want to apply on your header, like how to have a sticky header or how to have a transparent background or how to have a blurry background. All the effect I'm gonna show you in this tutorial. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now here we are in the WordPress dashboard, and I hope guys you guys know how to come to the WordPress dashboard or how to set up a WordPress dashboard. If you don't, I have an entire playlist upon WordPress website for beginners where I've explained each and everything from hosting, domain, site setup, dashboard setup, everything. Okay, so do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Now that's being said, if you are in the WordPress dashboard, you need to follow my steps and you can build an amazing header with any features you want without even adding a single bit of code with these steps. Okay, so let's see that. So first you need to install a theme, of course, and you can install any theme you want because some of the theme actually provides you some header features like sticky or transparent. That's why I've used a very simple theme. Okay, hello Elementor, and these does not provide anything out of the box, so that I can show you that you can use any theme and you can build your header from that. Okay, so I've chosen this theme. Okay, and let me show you my website. So you can see this is my website. Okay, and here if I scroll down, the header is gone. So basically this is the header, and it is not sticky and it is looking very ugly, I know, but we are gonna make it very beautiful and elegant and feature pack, so don't worry on that. So now let's go back here and let's install some plugins. So in Elementor, or basically in WordPress, if you want any features, you need to install plugins for that. So for this header feature, okay, you need to have 3 plugins. So basically first will be your Elementor, and I hope you guys have this Elementor, and if you want to know much about Elementor, I have an entire video. I'll leave that link in description below. And second, you need to have a Elementor header and footer because we are gonna build our own custom header here. And third, you need to have the sticky header effect from Elementor. Do pause the video and install it as you go through the video, because you need to see the exact company name from which I have installed. Okay, so install these 3, and now let's go and build our header. So I'll go to appearance and I'll go to Elementor header and footer builder, and of course here I'm gonna build a simple header because I don't want to waste much time upon designing, because here I'm going to show you the features of header rather than the styling of header. And if you want to learn more about header and footer, I have an entire 50 minutes video on that. Do check that out in my channel. So you'll come here and click on this add new, and let's write here header, and let's choose type of templates. So basically I want to make it as a header, so I'll choose header. Now here is this display on. Where do you want to show this header? So basically I want to show this on my entire website. And then user role, like which user can see my site. So since I don't have any logged in or logged out feature, I'll choose all here, and now I can just go ahead and do publish, and you don't need to choose this Elementor canvas template for now. And let's click here on publish. Alright, and now if I go here and refresh, you can see my header is gone, because now this header will take place of the older header. So now first create that header. So I'll click on this view or edit on Elementor, and now here I'll create my header. So first I'll choose this plus, and basically I'm gonna have 2 sections because one will be for logo and the other will be for menus. So I'm gonna choose this. Alright, now the first section would be logo, so I'll go here and I will type logo, and you need to choose this HFB logo, header footer box. So I'll just put here, and my logo has come up. And just in case if you don't get here logo, you need to actually go to this customize option and click on this site identity and then upload here logo. Okay, if you don't upload, then the logo would not show up here, so you need to upload here. So I hope you guys have done that. Now let's go back here, and here we got the logo, and the next section will be our menu. So let's type menu, and just this HFB one, I'll just scroll here. Alright, so now we have our two sections, and now let's do some styling quickly. So basically I want to make it vertically center, so I'll just choose this entire column, and I'll make this vertical align as middle, and similarly I'll choose this entire column vertical align middle. Now I want to move it right align, so I'll just choose here, right click and go to this layout here, and just choose this right, shift to right, and this I want to shift it to left, so I'll choose this, and probably I'll go to this image or alignment here and left align. That's it. Now update, and now if I go here, or basically to my site, let me go to my site. So you can see the logo has, or the complete header has appeared here, and now we need to do some styling. So this is of red color, so let's change the color first. So I want to change it as, let's make it blue. Okay, so I'll go to this text color here, I'll choose here blue, and update, and I'll also update the hover color. So on hover it will become green, which is fine for now. And let's change the typography as well. So you guys know my favorite font, which is Montserrat. So let's go to style here, and let's choose this typography, and let's type here Montserrat. I know I'm going a bit fast, but don't worry, my main aim is not to show you styling. My main aim is to show the features, and there I'll be a bit slow, so don't worry about that. Now refresh. Alright, so now we have got this entire thing. Okay, and now, and actually I don't see any hover effect here, so let's cross check that first. Okay, so we have applied that. Let me just copy it and go to incognito mode. Alright, so basically I had to update this active also, so I've made this active as green, I've made this hover as green, and this normal as blue. And here also I've used one animation, so basically animation style would be fade, and a link hover effect would be underline, and just update it. And now if I go here and refresh, you can see we have got this hover effect very nicely. And now let's add some features on this header. So our first feature would be having a sticky header. Okay, so for that, since we have installed that plugin, you will get one more option, but for that you need to choose this entire section here. So I'll go to this 6 dot here, right click and edit section, and here if you will see, here you need to go to this advanced here. Alright, and here you can see one more feature has added, which is sticky header effect. Just click on this and make it enable. Okay, and we haven't actually changed the background color of this entire header, so let's first do that as well. So I'll go here, right click, edit. Okay, and let's go to the layout, or basically the style here, and go to this background and choose some color. So for now I'll choose this blackish type of color. Okay, and let's update it. And since we have activated our sticky header, so now this header will stick when we scroll down. So let's see it is working or not. So let's go here and refresh, and now let me scroll, and you can see we have achieved our sticky header effect. Yeah, it was that easy. So you don't need to write any code or copy any code, you just need to install the right plugin, and you can have all the features you want. So this is our first feature. Now you can ask that, okay, I want some transparent effect, like my header will be transparent, and when I scroll down, then this background color should come. So we can achieve that as well. Now let's go to this Elementor header, and in the sticky header, if you scroll down, you will see many options are there. Okay, so let's pick the right option and achieve what we want. So here you can see we have a transparent header. Just on this, and now I think our header would have become transparent. So let's update it, and let's go here and refresh. Okay, so now you can see our background color has gone, but as we scroll down, you can see we have got this color. Yeah, we have achieved our transparent background effect as well. That is our second thing. Now let's have a blurry effect on this header, so we can achieve that as well. So let's go back, and you can see we have an option which is of okay. Prior to that, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, let's say you have a different background color here, and when you scroll down you will achieve a different color as well. You can have that as well. How? Let's go back here and let's see one thing. Okay, so here you can see we have an option of background color. Okay, so first I'll okay, so let's choose this one, background color. Okay, and here I am gonna give one color, so it's clearly says that as you scroll down this color would be applied. So by default I have applied a blackish kind of background color, and now if I scroll down I want some different color. So let's say I want blue, or let's say I want green. Okay, I know it won't look good, but let's see first. Update it, go here, refresh. Okay, and this would not work because we have activated our transparent header, so you need to remove this and then update. Now go here and refresh. Alright, so when we have not scrolled, our background color is black, and now if you scroll here, alright, it is not changing. Let me see. Alright guys, so basically I had to remove the cache, because of that it was not working, but now it's working. Okay, so if I scroll down you can see it's changing from black to green. So yeah, we have achieved this as well. And now achieve our last thing, which is how to have a blurry effect. Okay, so let's make this first transparent. Alright, and now let's scroll down and choose this blur background here. Okay, and now go ahead on this background color and choose this, or let's make it a bit transparent kind. Okay, and we'll choose the color as blue. And keep in mind, if you choose this transparent header, this color, this black color would be automatically gone, because we need to have a transparent background. So even if you keep this, it wouldn't show up, so better to remove it. So let's go to style here and let's remove this and update. Alright, now let's go ahead and refresh. Alright, so now we don't have any background, but as we scroll down you can see we have this blue color, and it's not going transparent, so let's see that as well. Okay, you need to make it a bit transparent here, and now update. And now if I refresh, now let's scroll down. Now you can see we have got that transparent effect. And of course you can increase your transparency as well, so let's increase that. Update, refresh. Alright, now you can see we have got this beautiful transparent effect as well. Now you guys might think that okay, I want to change the logo when I scroll down, or I want to change this color of my menu when I scroll down. So basically this all things are also possible, but this is not possible in the free version of this theme, okay, or this plugin, right? So basically I would suggest you that choose such color so that even if the background is transparent or it is colored, those text should be visible nicely. Like in my case, if you'll see, this logo has a high named with white color, so it is not visible in the transparent background, but as I scroll down it is visible clearly. So it is not the right thing. I should have made it something of that color that even if it is transparent I can see my logo, and even if I scroll down I can see my logo. So keep that in mind. Or else if you want that I want to change the color of the menu when I scroll down, okay, then for that you need to apply some external CSS, and for that I would make some other video if you guys recommend me for that. Okay, so with that guys, we have come to the end of our video, and I hope guys you have found the video informative, and if you did, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm gonna bring you more informative content like this regarding WordPress, regarding digital marketing, and regarding online earning. So thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Take care.